Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Lando.dev, which is a Docker based tool. We can use Lando to manage all the services or Laravel application uses and install those services inside of Docker. You can see and get started. You can read all the instruction to install the Lando in your operating system. You can see Lando is available on all operating system. So here I am with my blank Laravel project. I will start up by creating a lando.yml file. Now let's talk about what are the configuration you need to provide for Lando to set up your project. It is very simple. Just give it your name of the project. We will have to give it a recipe, that is Laravel, and few small configuration are there like web root. It is always public for Laravel based application. And let's start with PHP version of 7.4, and we will basically use Nginx. And then for database we will use Postgres version 10. And then for this project let's disable Xdebug, and for caching we will use Redis. So you save this file, and then in your terminal just type lando start. So you see here the installation is finished. Now we can go into this link here, and then in the website if we go into that link, you see we have a Laravel application installed already. So let's talk about few commands we have with Lando. So if you see the Lando info, you will see what are the configuration and then the option you have. So let's open .env file and then see what are the configuration we need to provide. So if you see here we have MySQL, but we are using Postgres. We will use PGSQL. For host we cannot use local host because internal connection it says host is database, so we will have to use that. And if you see here we have port 5432, we'll have to use that. And then we have database is Laravel by default, and user is Postgres, and password is null. So that's it for database configuration. You can come here and then see that Redis host. If you see internal host is cache, so you can remove this and then you type cache, and then that's it. Everything is configured for .env. So if you come here and then type lando, you will see there are few commands that you can use like artisan, composer. So let's start with lando artisan. If we type that, then you will see all the artisan command you can run. So let's install a composer package, Laravel debug bar. We all require this for local development. So we say lando composer require Laravel debug bar -- dev, and then it will go and install Laravel debug bar for us. So installation is complete. So if we go into our application and if we refresh now, we can see the debug bar here as well. So you can just type lando artisan migrate, and then you can see you can migrate all these migrations. On our application we have Laravel Mix and Tailwind CSS, so it compiles that to JavaScript and CSS. So let's install Node into our application as well. We just type Node and then the type is Node. We will just basically install the Node version 12, and then we'll need to add some tooling, that is npm, and we want to target this service. So just say service node, So now after you add that node into your Lando configuration, you will have to just do Lando rebuild, that's why, and then it will start building it again. Okay, so we have npm also installed. So if we type in Lando, you will see we have some new commands here, that is Lando npm. So let's just do Lando npm install. It will go and install all the packages for us, and then we can just do Lando npm run dev. Okay, so now you can see in public we have compiled JavaScript and CSS, and everything is all running, right? So we have login, forget password, everything configured. So that's it. Lando is so much clean and simple, and then you can set up Laravel project using one simple file. We will talk about adding more services and more tool in future videos, but that's it for today. Thank you.